we're back. Now they call me Hamish, but a lot of people sometimes they call me Now River Soldier. Now River Soldier. You FaceTime, cause a lot of new ones here. You click right here, subscribe, so you can get notification all the time. It's for free to subscribe. Let's get started. So now let's say refill it. This is more of the rate ratio equation. Refill it, car average. Oh, it has an average of 4 kilometers per liter of petrol. Means if you drive 14 kilometer, 1 liter. So we got two things here, kilometer and liter. So this is my approach most of the time. I make my life easy. I'm gonna write here kilometer, which is distance, and liter. Okay. So now 14 kilometers, 14 per liter for 1 liter. Per liter means for 1 liter. See, per liter means it's 1 liter. Now let's go. So now they say the fuel tanking capacity of a car is 50 liters. So don't worry about that. Just wait first. So the fuel of the car, it takes 50 liters. So they can't stop. Okay, because now, so I'm not gonna do anything for so long. The cost of a petrol is this for 1 liter. Oh, so the cost of petrol is this for 1 liter. So now there's three things. There's kilometer, liter, and the cost. So let's leave the cost. Don't worry about the cost. Let's leave this cost aside. Because you know, if for 1 liter is 11, if I put full tank, I'm gonna take $11 times by 50. So it's only paying. So for now, I don't know how long I'm gonna travel. Now, let's say this guy here, the trip to her destination for 25 kilometers. Oh, so the destination that she traveled is 250 kilometers. So now I want to deal with it, kilometer and liter. So the distance she's going to cover is kilometer, 250. Because I don't want to deal with the liter because I don't know how long this guy's going to travel, 250. But do you know how many liter? You don't know how many liter. So here I just say, I don't know how many liter or liter. So if it's 14, you know it's for 1 liter. But for the whole distance, which you see, this is kilometer. That's all right here on the side of kilometer. How long, how many liter going to cover? So now let's get total number of liter. So I'm going to say 14 times x is 14x. Put equal sign because it's equal sign. 250 times 1 is 250. It's like this time this, this time this. So this is 14x, okay? Now if you want to get x divided by 14, divided by 14. So my x equal 250 divided by 14. 215 divided by 14. Okay. 17.8571. Or 17.8571. Let's say 71. Yeah. So this is the liter. If this guy is going to drive for 250, he's going to use this liter here, which is 17.8571 liter. Okay, now we go. So now what do you want? Let's say now to have destination without stopping for the fuel. I mean, this guy, if he go until where he goes, he's going to travel for 14 kilometers, 250 kilometers, which he's going to use 17.8571. So now let's go now. They say, excuse me, man is tight. Man is tight. Excuse me, man is tight. And her tank is almost empty. Empty. So they say minimum amount of money she need to pay for the petrol to reach her to destination. Like, we want to find out how much money this guy's going to pay. Okay, so we have all this information. We know this guy's going to travel for 250 kilometers, which is this liter. But we have another information here. Which information we have? We know for facts. You see, they say here, the cost of petrol is this dollar. How many seconds? Let me see your question, please. The cost of petrol, no, this should not be here because the cost of petrol is this. Okay? I think here it's supposed to be the car per liter. I want to make sure. Excuse me, just for a second. I want to make sure in the question. I think the cost is that one for 1 liter. Okay. It's me. Per liter. I forgot here. It's supposed to be per liter here. So this must be per liter here. Per liter for each liter. Per liter. 112 per liter. Oh, so now it's liter and money. So you're gonna say, okay. So now is dollar and liter. So we know for a fact here, excuse me, it is 1 liter because per liter how much is dollar, which is 11.2. Now, how many liter we gonna use? Oh, so my liter I'm gonna use for the whole journey is this. So I'm gonna write under liter because we wanna find out if it's this liter, how much? So I'm gonna say 17.8571. Now, how much is gonna cost? You know what I'm saying? So now we can cross multiplication. So cross multiplication, x times 1 equal to x equal to 1.20 dollar times 17.8571. So take a calculator and then multiply. Okay, 17.20 Okay, multiply by 11.20. 200. So this is gonna give us 200. So 200 is what is dollar. So this guy is gonna pay 200. The minimum amount that this guy is gonna pay is $200, or whichever money that you use. So the first question is done. Now we go for the question number 2. Easy question. Number 2 is more easy actually. Denzel Washington buys 300 outdoor refuse bags. So this guy is gonna buy outdoor refuse bags. You know what I'm saying? Question number, even this question. Okay, there's a comma here. So here is a comma. Okay, now let's go. So question number 2, Denzel buys 300 outdoor refuse bags for this amount, means for $300. So what I'm gonna do, if that's dollar, means for 300 bags, refuse bag, for that amount, means I can get the price of each bag. This is price added tax included, means tax involved. Oh, so now if it's 300 bags, for that means each bag is going to cost $1. So let's say price of each bag. I'm going to get the total amount which I paid, which is divide by how many bags. For this case it's 300, but it could be different bags. So this is going to give us $1. So the price of each bag is $1. Now I'll go. So this is the price that this guy he bought. But what happened then? He sold them. He decided, oh, I'm going to sell. But let's see, is he going to sell all of them? Or is he going to sell some? So he sold them for this amount. But this amount for the pack of 20. Oh, so he didn't sell all of them, 300. He only sell 20. So I'm going to say, okay, now I'm going to take this amount. I'm going to find how much did he sell for each bag first. Okay, now, so I'm going to say, okay, price of, so this is buying price or price. Buying price. Now we want to find the selling price of each bag. Selling price of each bag. So first I'm going to take the total amount he bought. He sold it, 25.99 over how many bags did he sell? 20. So this is going to give us, I think it's 1 point, okay. 25.99 divided by 20. And this is going to give us 1.2995. 1.2995. So this is the price of each bag. So he bought, like in other way, he bought each bag for $1 and then he sold each bag for 1.2. So he made some profit here. You know what I'm saying? Now let's go for each bag. Now, so now he asks here how much profit did he make? But it's not for only one bag, remember? Okay, now let's find the profit first for one bag and then I'll see how many bags did this guy sold. Okay, so now the profit for one bag, for each bag he sold, I'll take this sold price minus the amount he bought to know the profit. So it's going to be 1.2995 minus 1. So minus 1 is like 1.000. You can put in a calculator. This is going to be 5992.0. So this is the selling price. Excuse me, is the profit of each bag. But now let's see how many bags did he sell. He sold them for the pack of 20 bags. Okay, so this is the price of each bag. The profit of each bag. Now we want to know the profit of 20 bags that he sold. So profit, because they say here he sold for 20 bags, a pack of 20. So profit of 20 bags. So I'm gonna say the price of each bag, which is 0.2995 times by 20. So these are gonna give me, excuse me, times by 20. Okay, 5.99. Excuse me, so my apology. So I'm wrong, I'm sorry. 0.2995 times 20. Okay, 5.999. So this guy for 20 bags is gonna make a profit of 5.99. This is a profit that he's gonna make. So if it's something the multiple choice, then this is what you should pick. If that one, that's what you pick. We're done. Bye bye. I'm out.